A. Explanation of Global Business Summit. The Global Business Summit is an international event that brings together business leaders, experts, and professionals from around the world to discuss and explore the latest trends, insights, and opportunities in the global business landscape. The summit typically features prominent keynote speakers, panel discussions, workshops, and networking events, all focused on various themes and topics related to business and innovation. Attendees can gain valuable insights, exchange ideas with peers, and expand their network while exploring potential investment opportunities and new markets. The Global Business Summit is an important event for anyone interested in keeping up to date with the latest developments in global business and gaining insights from leading experts in the field.